Hey, Steve here. I want to talk to you in this video about trading at igindex with the My Simple Trading Signals. I'm at igindex. This is a live account. This is based on if you live in the UK. If you're in Canada or Australia, the time zones are going to be different and the looks of the site may be a little different, but hopefully it's close enough that you get an idea of exactly what's going on. So again, the time zones that I'm using or the end times that I'm using in this video may be different for you, so you just have to match up the differences based on your time zone and so forth. But anyways, igindex, I'm logged in. They have a lot of different options: indices, forex, shares, etc., etc. You scroll down. I'm going to show you the example for the Euro US dollar. So I want to click on binary FX. If I wanted the indices, I would click on binary indices. If I wanted commodities, it would be binary commodities. For this example, I'm going to do the Euro US dollar. So binary FX. And then a bunch of different things will come up. Ladders, one touch for each of the different currency pairs. I want the binary forex daily ladders. So it's the daily ladders, and that's for the Euro US dollar. And I want the 8 p.m. I want the 8 p.m. one, which again will be different if you're in a different time zone. The layout will be different. But at igindex, it says here this is the actual price. So it's you just put a dot after the one. So it's the Euro US dollar is 1.2410 is basically what the actual price of the Euro US dollar is, but they just price it this particular way. So that's the actual price of the Euro US dollar. Then you get the prices here. It says Euro US dollar is to be above 12,400, 12,410, etc. at 8 p.m. and you see the prices, or excuse me, the time here. So the time that I'm doing this video, it is currently 17:30 GMT, which is 5:30, which is 2.5 hours before this particular trade expires. So if I wanted to say I am going to buy, or I think that the Euro US dollar is going to be higher at 8 p.m. than it is higher than 12,410. If I think it's higher than 12,410 at 8 o'clock, I can go long and pay $48 or 47 and keep switching. I put in the size amount. Size amount is 1. This is the currency that I'm in. Again, this is an account I have set up for me in the UK. Somebody was kind enough to do that for me, and I would click on the buy. So I think it's going to be higher than 12,410. Again, the price of the current market is 12,406. I would need it to go up about 4 pips in order to win this trade. Again, everything is going to expire at either $0 or $100. So it'll either expire at a $0 or $100. If it's above this number on a buy, I'm going to win, and it's going to be $100. It's going to cost me $45.60 right this second, and I'll get the difference if it's a winning trade. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I do it. So I just click on the buy, and it says confirmed, and you can see in the open positions right down here that I own it at I need the Euro US dollar 12,410. That's what I need in order to win the particular trade. Now on the sell position, say I thought the Euro US dollar was going to go down, I could place a sell position. I could either take that same 410 or I could take 12,400. I am actually going to show you how to on a different I'm going to show you how to do it on gold. Actually, I tell you what, I'm going to show you how to do it on indices. And the reason for that is on indices, the indices, again, you would want to do Wall Street, which is the Dow. On indices at igindex, they are actually based on the cash. They're not based on the futures. So they're based on, if you go over to google.com/finance and check out where the Dow is, which is at 169, you'll see it at 169 here. So they're actually based on the Dow Jones Index itself. Nadex, if you know anything about Nadex, they're actually based on the Dow futures. So there is a little difference in that. I actually like doing it via the index instead of the futures, but that's what we have at Nadex. So at over at igindex, it's a little better in my opinion as far as dealing with the index instead. So it's at 169, 170. This is a end of the day trade against a daily trade. It's going to be based on the actual closing price of the Dow Jones Index. So if I wanted to sell it, I thought the market is going to go down, I could place a trade. Let's say I think it's here. Let's say I think it's really going to go down a bunch. It's currently at 13,170. Let's say I think it's going to fall at least 30 points. So we're going to place a daily Wall Street to be above 13,140. I can sell that thinking that it's not going to be above that number. And I would need to have $30.70 in my account, now $31 in my account, in order to sell that position. If I win, it's going to be this amount. If I that's how much profit there'll be. So if I'm selling, it's going to cost me that much. If I'm buying, it's going to cost me that much. And those are the two differences. But you just click on sell, and I am confirmed. Simple, easy breezy, and you'll see it right here, how much it is, and so forth. So I have two positions now in there. I had showed you a buy position and a sell position for the Wall Street. And if I wanted to close out either of them, I can just click on them and just go in the opposite direction. So I had a sell position on the Wall Street. I could click on buy, and bam, it's confirmed. I'm out, and I no longer have that in my open position, and it's back into my funds. So that's how easy it is with igindex. It's a great way to trade binary options. For those of you who are not in the US, igindex can still be used for the My Simple trading signals. So hopefully this is helpful, and hopefully that showed you how to both buy and sell over at igindex. Again, depending on the time zone you're in, you would have to navigate that yourself, but this is how to trade there, and hopefully this was helpful. Take care.